If you thought Samsung was done surprising us after all the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks, well, think again. Because now, way earlier than expected, we're already hearing whispers about the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Yep, the 2027 flagship. And honestly, if this latest leak turns out to be even partially true, Samsung might be preparing one of its boldest camera moves in years. So here's what's happening. A well-known tipster has just dropped the first supposed details about the S27 Ultra's camera setup, and it sounds like Samsung could be completely rethinking how zoom works on its Ultra phones. Instead of packing the back with multiple telephoto lenses like we've gotten used to, Samsung might actually remove the traditional 3x zoom camera altogether. In its place, the company is rumored to be testing a massive new 200-megapixel main sensor made by Sony. And this isn't just another spec bump. We're talking about a physically larger sensor than what previous Ultra models have used, paired with a wider aperture that could dramatically improve how much light the camera captures. In real-world terms, that could mean cleaner night shots, sharper details, and far more flexibility when zooming into photos. The idea here is pretty simple but very ambitious. With such high resolution and improved light performance, Samsung could rely on advanced digital cropping from the main sensor to handle that 3x zoom range instead of using a dedicated lens. If executed well, you'd still get detailed zoomed-in shots without the need for extra hardware. Fewer lenses, but potentially smarter photography. Now, interestingly, the leak suggests Samsung might still keep the 5x periscope camera. That would give users strong, long-range zoom, while letting the new main sensor handle mid-range zoom duties. If this strategy becomes real, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could shift from a quad-camera layout to a simpler triple-camera system. And perhaps even more surprising, this move would signal growing confidence in Sony's imaging tech over Samsung's own ISOCELL sensors. Of course, since we're talking about a device that's likely still years away, everything right now should be taken with a healthy dose of skepticism. But what's clear is that Samsung seems to be exploring ways to make smartphone photography more efficient without sacrificing capability. And it's not just cameras where big changes might happen. One area fans have been asking Samsung to improve for a long time is battery life. Ultra phones have basically been stuck at the same 5,000 mAh capacity for years, while some competing flagship devices are pushing well beyond that. By the time 2027 rolls around, expectations will be even higher. So there's a real possibility Samsung could finally introduce a larger battery in the S27 Ultra. But that kind of upgrade might come with trade-offs. To create more internal space, Samsung could potentially rethink features like the built-in S Pen. It sounds dramatic, but when battery life becomes one of the biggest deciding factors for buyers, even iconic features might not be completely safe. At the end of the day, this leak paints a picture of a future Ultra phone that's less about stacking more hardware and more about making smarter, more impactful upgrades. A cleaner camera system, stronger zoom performance, and hopefully battery life that actually keeps up with how people use their phones today. But now I'm curious what you think. Would you be okay with Samsung removing a zoom lens if the main sensor could genuinely do the same job or even better? And how important is a bigger battery compared to features like the S Pen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I always love reading your takes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.